So yeah, this is the question, sum of two values. Like what does this problem states? You are given an array of n integers. You just need to print the position of the elements whose sum is given x, right? So what we'll be trying to do? You'll be just taking this array of values and you need to apply the two-pointer approach. And if you find the sum, just print those indices. Otherwise, you'll just print the impossible case, right? See here, let us understand through the sample case, which is 2751, right? Yeah. See here, first of all, take those values and map through there and map it to the original indices, right? Take some map and map them to their original indices, which is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now you just sort this array. You just sort this array. Now it will be 1, 2, 5, 7, right? Now it will be 1, 2, 5, 7, and our required sum is 8. And our required sum is 8. See, take a pointer on the yeah. Take a pointer p1 on the starting value and a pointer p2 on the ending value, and just check whether if your p1 plus p2 summation is 8, if their summation is the given x, if their summation is given x, then you just need to print the indices of these two elements. What is what is the position of the first element? That is 4, right? That is 4. So you'll print 4 comma what is the position of 7? That is 2, right? That is 2. So you just print these two elements and you'll return that. Let us say if suppose our our required sum is 6. If our required sum is 6, then can I say you'll check this both sums. You'll check this both sums, which is giving you an 8. That means 8 is greater than 6, like which is greater than our desired sum. Then what you'll try to do, you just try to decrement the pointer p2. That means your pointer p2 will be facing over here. Now you again try to check this both summation. Now it will be equal to 6, right? It will be equal to 6. Now then what you'll try to do, you just print these two original indices elements. Like here, one's original index is 4, so you'll print 4, and 5's original index is 3. You'll print this 3 from the map, right? So these original indexes of these elements will be stored in the map, so you'll directly print over there. If your desired sum, if your current sum is less than desired sum, then you just increment the p1, right? So this is our two-pointer approach. So let us just quickly go through the coding part. Yeah, what he'll be giving us, initially he'll be giving n and x, right? And then we'll take the given n values. So I'll be taking this. Now after taking this, what you need to do, first of all, you need to map their original indices, right? So I'll be mapping the original indices, which is empty. Since he has given us 1 based indexing, I'll be taking it as I plus 1. Now after that, sort this array, and after sorting this array, what you'll try to do, you'll take a 2 pointers, p1 and p2 is pointing to the last element, and while p1 is less than p2, what you'll try to do, if your array of p1, let us say our current sum, and current sum is equal to array of p1 plus array of p2. If your current sum is equal to x, then you can print the original indexes of these elements. You can print the original indexes and you just simply return over here. Or otherwise, if your current sum is greater than desired sum, you just need to decrement the pointer p2. If your current sum is less than your desired sum, then you need to increment the p1. If you doesn't found any elements, then we need to print the impossible, right? We need to print the impossible. Now let's just quickly run this off. Yeah, you see it does run fine, which is 4 and 2. Yeah, you can give any of the solutions. So let's just quickly submit this off. It is a C++, yeah. Yeah, one thing I have got wrong. Why I'm getting wrong? Yeah, when it is, why it was p1 is less than p2. Okay. What is the issue over here? See here, what is the situation that we are facing? Like, if there are duplicate elements, then we are mapping the same index. Like, we are overwriting the index of this element. See here, if I'm saying 2 ones are present, I'm saying in the first case I'm mapping 4 to 1, and again I'm overwriting the case and mapping 5 to 1, right? And I'm mapping 1 with index 5. So this index is not being stored over here. So that's where the problem is being occurred. So let us change this approach. Let us change a slide. Like, what we'll be trying to do is, see here, I'll just change it a little bit. I'll be taking a vector of pair of info mind, right? Now what I'll be trying to do is I'll take these values. I'll be taking the value which is let's see. I'll take the value and I'll push with the index itself, right? So now when the sorting happens, it happens based on the value. Now you just simply mention the same approach, and this will be our first, right? First, p1 dot first and p2 dot first, that is our value. If that is the case, then you need to print the second values, which is their original indices, right? Which is their original indices. Yeah, I think now it should be running fine. Yeah, you need yeah, it does run fine. So I'll just quickly submit this off. The approach is similar, but just I have changed the way of storing the indices, right? Yeah. So yeah, if I do submit this, it does run fine. It does run. So if you have any doubts, just comment me down. I'll be happy to reply you.